Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok inbox. Please open the TikTok app in Android device. So what to do when the TikTok is open, you will see the interface of like this. Now what to do to find inbox, you will see in the right below is you will see the right below is the option is inbox. So you just click to inbox, and in the inbox you will find your all activity, your system notifications, and the all chats of your friends. So this is how to find inbox. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.